Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap YouTube channel, and in today's video you will learn what is difference between pixel, EM and REM. So first of all, let's just talk about pixel. Suppose we have a P element here. I have typed a text here like paragraph, and if I give a style to this element like font size 18 pixel. Basically pixel is a specific unit, or you can say that it is a fixed unit. It means that this text will look same on mobile device, on tablet or on desktop device. Next, let's just talk about em is a relative unit to its parent. Suppose we have a div here, and I'm going to give it class container, and inside this we have a P element. If I will copy this container class and paste this class here, and I will type here font size, suppose 20 pixel, and inside this div I have a paragraph in which I am going to type some text, and I am changing its font size value to 3 em. Now let's just see the output. So friends, the P element position is relative to its parent. Now you can see that this is our text output because I have given 20 pixel width font size to my this container class now, and I have assigned 2 em font size to this paragraph. It means its total font size will become 20 pixel multiplied by 2, which is equal to 40 pixel. So currently our text is of 40 pixel. And at last I'm going to talk about REM, which is better than EM and pixel as well. You can make responsive designs using REM. So basically one REM, suppose if I have a paragraph here and I will type here suppose some text, I will close this style and type here P font size 2 REM. So basically it is not a relative positioning. Normally 1 REM is equal to 16 pixel, and now you can see that I have assigned here 2 REM, which means that our font size will be of 32 pixel. So I hope you understand a little concept about what is the difference between PXEM and REM, and inshallah in the coming videos I will make a detailed video with multiple examples on this. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our YouTube channel to learn about web designing. And finally, thanks for watching.